If you've been avoiding rugged smartphones due to the bulk and the weight, those concerns are the thing of the past. Allowing me to introduce you the latest addition to the market, AGM H6, currently the thinnest and most elegant rugged smartphone available. This brand new model not only offers exceptional design but also boasts impressive features. Be sure to check out this AGM H6 video review to discover more. So let's start unboxing them right away. The H6 smartphone comes in this box made of recycled paper. Let's open it and see what's inside. At the top it is the envelope in which we find the AGM H6 Quick Start Guide written in many languages. There is also online variant support and this AGM cool stickers. Further in the box we find the smartphone, we will put it aside. In the box we will still find the USB Type-C cable and finally 10-watt charger. That was contents of this AGM sales package. Now let's see what our smartphone looks like. Right from the start we can see that this is a really eye-pleasing and elegant smartphone. Namely, it's about the fact that AGM H6 has a thin and light body of just 10.75mm and weight of 240 grams, which is practically close to the regular smartphone. As I said before, a thin rugged phone never seen before. The back side, as you can see, is nicely perforated with these two patterns, which certainly remove fingerprints and improve hand grip. These slightly serrated rubber reinforced edges also contributes to this. All in all, at the first glance, a very nice and compact device. I must also say that the build quality itself is solid and the smartphone looks very convincing when you hold it. On the side, in the black metal edges that contributes to the strength of the device, there is the volume buttons, and below there is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side we find the drawer for as many of 3 free spaces, 2 4G SIM cards and 1 for memory card of up to 1TB at the same time. This orange button here below is a programmable button which can be personalized to execute various functions with the phone or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button has 3 functions. On the bottom of the phone under the rubber cover that ensures 100% waterproofness, there is USB Type-C port for charging and next to it there is a grill for a very loud speaker. On the top of the phone under the rubber cover we find something that we also like to see, and that is a 3.5mm headphone jack. So from the front there is a 6.56 90Hz FHD Plus LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels and Corning Gorilla protection, plus screen protection installed on the display out of the box. It's a nice classic display with a notch in which there is a 8MP front camera with the Sony lenses with the option of the face unlock function. The camera will be just enough for your quick selfies and online meetings. In terms of screen brightness, I had no problems with outside visibility. On bright sunny days, the display is bright and legible in all circumstances. It's a 90Hz display and I don't expect any miracles here, but everything works correctly and as expected in this price range. The bright screen and the acceptable black value also result in a good contrast ratio, which leads to a stronger color representation on the screen. The colors are strong enough and striking when viewing the content on the screen. YouTube videos will play flawlessly and just will enjoy browsing the content, as well as viewing different web pages with the fluidity at the 90Hz refresh rate. If you are not too demanding, the screen will definitely serve you without any problems for daily surfing and websites on social media, as well as the occasionally viewing of YouTube videos. After the display, let's shift our attention a little to the back of these cameras. In this really beautiful and elegant design camera module we find 2 cameras with the 50MP main Sony camera lenses and a 2MP macro camera lens with the LED flash. The camera has ability to record video in the maximum resolution of 1080 pixels and 30 fps. The camera app offers various options such as a panorama, pro capture, video recording, time-lapse, QR code scanning and much more. To get a feel for the camera performance, it's the best to check out episode are sample photos and videos we took using the AGM H6. Well, let's take a look. The phone runs on the latest Android 13 operating system, making it exceptionally adapt to multitasking and seamless app switching. It offers a pure Android experience devoid of bloatware and unexpected ads. The pre-installed Google Play Store provides a vast array of apps, ensuring effortlessly synchronization when transitioning from another device. The AGM H6 allows customization, including options like dark themes, wallpaper changes, interface color adjustments, and all the modifications supported by the new Android version. The user experience on this phone is truthfully designed and incredibly user-friendly. There is also FM radio on this phone. Notably, the phone supports NFC and is compatible with the Google Pay for added convenience. There is support for GPS, Baloo, Galileo navigation systems. We also have Bluetooth 5.0, dual Wi-Fi, and dual 4G LTE with VoLTE. Everything you want, you get on this phone. The quality during the phone conversation by sending mobile data and connecting to the Wi-Fi network really work without any problems, just as it should be for a phone like this. Gaming enthusiasts will discover immersive pleasure in the wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to its AGM H6 potential Unisoc T606 Octa-core processor that ensures seamless gameplaying across most games. There will be no issues with using this chipset in long-term gaming sessions. With 8GB of RAM and up to 8GB of virtual RAM, you can let more apps run in once with the ultimate speed and smoothness. 256GB of internal storage plus microSD card option provides huge space for apps, files, photos and videos. As I said, the virtual memory expansion can be advanced in the settings that adds up to 8GB of RAM, so you get up to 60GB of RAM in total, which is really great. Moreover, the phone's 4900 mAh battery will be sufficient for up to a day and a half of use, at the least it was for me, and I can say that I'm very satisfied with that result. It's even worth mentioning that the AGM H6 proudly carries an outstanding IP68 and IP69K rating, guaranteeing its resilience against dust and water intrusions. It can endure immersion in water up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes, making it ideal for a range of outdoor adventures. Additionally, it has successfully met the exciting military standard MIL-STD 810H, exposing to the rigorous test of endurance in harsh temperatures and environments, solidifying its ruggedness. To summarize at the end how this is a truly unique rugged smartphone with thin body of a normal smartphone but resistant to water, dust and shocks, and I tell you that this is one of the only elegant tough smartphone on the market right now, with excellent performance in the price range of up to $200. So if you are looking for a strong and robust phone, yet a sleek and sophisticated design, look no further. AGM H6 will provide you with all this with a 50MP main Sony camera, up to 60GB of RAM, generous 256GB of internal memory, expandable with a memory card, excellent T606 Octa-core processor, 90Hz display, pure Android 30 OS and NFC. What can more we ask for? We got it all. So the official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new AGM H6 today at the promotional price, because now is the chance. That will be all for now. See you soon with the new video review. Bye.